Welcome to a quick practical guide on how to create and save a blank text file on Dropbox, updated for the latest app layout and features. First, grab your phone and open the Dropbox app. You'll see your list of folders and files, plus a prominent plus sign at the bottom center. Tap that plus button to begin a fresh task. From the menu that appears, choose Create New File. This option is designed to speed up the process when you want to jot something down without opening a separate text editor. Next, you'll be prompted to pick the type of file. Select Text File. This creates a lightweight, plain text document that's easy to edit later and lightweight to store in the cloud. A blank page now appears for you to confirm the file creation. Press Save to finalize the new document and place it into your Dropbox drive. If you don't see Save right away, look for a checkmark or a similar confirmation indicator and tap that to proceed. With the file created, you'll be taken to a naming screen. This is where you give your document a clear, meaningful name so you can find it later. Think about a short, descriptive label like Meeting Notes, Ideas 2026, or Draft Untitled. After typing the name, confirm by tapping OK or Save, depending on your device's prompts. Your new blank text file is now saved in your Dropbox under the location you chose. To start adding content, simply tap the file name from your list. Your device's keyboard will appear and you can begin typing right away. Any changes you make are automatically saved to the cloud, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. If you want to move or organize the file, open the file options by tapping the three-dot menu next to the file or inside the file view, then select Move or Rename. This helps you keep your workspace tidy, especially if you're juggling multiple notes, drafts, or ideas. A quick tip: if you ever need to create multiple text files, repeat the same steps, plus sign, create new file, text file, save, and name each one accordingly. Dropbox will keep everything synced across devices, so you can access your blank documents from anywhere with an internet connection. That's all there is to it. You now know how to create and save a blank text file on Dropbox quickly and reliably, keeping your ideas accessible and organized. If you found this helpful, try it out and let me know in the comments what you'll name your first blank file.